for Ahaya G series, Bima Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia latest and hot news Enqua Era Mede Bremo. Anuti so we subscribe to channel dia Bomodian say over subscribe. The Obayan say over click the subscribe button. Now wabele notification. Where the video be upload when the first person I want Ebeka. Yes, our video I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, now fee share my of so now when you be here. Now who and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memo hanum afi yehwe ye ensemo abeto yepno so NDC one communication officer aye Sammy Gyamfi one the press conference ehye so na ensem bebre NPP one the allegations bi atuja one chese NPP for no one ebopo one ni eye soja ni bi ebopo se de be ya abato e beba so ye 2024 general election one betimi ewie mu na eye Sojani yade no ebedi sa adwuma no Sammy Gyamfi edi tu bia mami fani phone enkyere na fe yewura eye story ni mu mami fani phone to screen so na fe yehwe eye story no papa no ni phone na mede ato screen de so no eye edin a ekura no anase ye frɛ no eye Brigadier General Opoku yade na kwa kwahye Kumase na NPP4 no ebopo a one person papa we edi dwumadie bi edi emawom na yenhwe ye story Sammy Gyamfi press conference a wode hye so no wadanse bebredi na yenhwe story a capture by Ghana say modern Ghana a wana capture yes our story a wana kan we are na fe Sammy Gyamfi nsema a wode atudwa bedini nyina so asomo ti yeni kan yenhwe ye story na ansa yenhwe story no na fe etie yes Sammy Gyamfi nsema a wode atudwa. Okay, I say Brigadier General Opoku plotting to rig 2024 polls in exchange for Chief of Defense Staff post NDC. Na just say papai or beboa here before now when it may we are body mu say be ya the bra here ya share the boss here the man Chief of Defense Staff say ba say about one before timi we ni na just say ya be no Chief of Defense Staff. Now your story say Ghana's biggest opposition party has alleged that the General Officer Commanding GOC of the Central Command of the Ghana Forces, Brigadier General Michael Opoku, has agreed to be used by the ruling New Patriotic Party in a grand scheme instituted by President Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo to steal the 7 December 2024 general elections for the incumbent New Patriotic Party in exchange for a high-ranking army post should the rigging plot go through. Not just say Bosha NPP4 asheno not just say utimi boa mamutimi we are banner just NPP4 bedin kunima not just say one be Chief of Defense Staff Brigadier General Opoku yes military officer. Now to also say having relocated his family to the United Kingdom, Brigadier General Opoku has vowed to do all it takes to carry out the shady election rigging plot of the NPP in exchange for the position Chief of Defense Staff. In the unlikely event that the NPP wins the general election, 2024 election, National Communication Officer of the NDC, Sammy Gyamfi, alleged at a press conference on Tuesday, 19 November 2024. I say, in this current position, Brigadier General Opoku has been mandated by the President, Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo, to take charge of a well-crafted scheme that has been designed by the NPP to rig the upcoming election, particularly in the Asante region. Let's just say, wana transia bopo, just say, ashisheni ma ye di nema to kwemu ewo eye Asante region. Said the beya wani betimi area eye abatu ya basui. Na what was say? Through ballot staffing, swapping of ballot boxes, swapping of pink sheets, and other clandestine activities, starting with the special voting exercise scheduled for December 2nd. Not just a year ballot box swapping. Whenever you're swapping of the ballot boxes, nobody be a shape person be any pink sheet near the HSA, a dear one be no and yeah, asem kuma. Now, one be the cash as a year special voting a ye be a year December 2nd. Normally, no, ayana a special voting a ma asrafo no a year security service ni central phone be dikamo 1 to 1 and said a beya general one drew one so etimia share at the home report near the aba. The special voting na yana one dikaye na a power one abo special vote one be in and nona a year NDC for no a allergy say papa we NPP for sheno say unisa jumano. What was I was say the party says Brigadier General Opoku was inducted into his current position in July so he can carry out the calculated rigging plot. And he said July ya na Akufo Addo this adibrene man no piano ko share ya Asante region said ya obetimi edi eye sajuma no. Now what was say the name of this man must ring a bell to Ghanaians as he is the person who masterminded the mayhem and brutalities inflicted on innocent Ghanaians during the infamous Ayawaso West Wogon by-elections in January 31st, 2019. Na say Ayawaso West Wogon by-election about so a pinchen picheni basabayane asrafo bi kwa wana hihye wona ni max ni ade kodi kwa sasem tutu bi prepare ne bi so efa mo hwere wana nkwane ade no papa we ena ye kire se onne na hyase a wodi sa adwuma ni nyina ebo pomo ndi sa adwuma ni nyina Gyamfi ena kire se papa we ne di eye sa adwuma no na intentemara yenkutie eye Gyamfi yenkutie eye press conference one eye Captain Smart so atwetwe nkomo na yentie nsema one Captain Smart atwetwe nkomo wode tudwa na fe yeti press conference no so ho nsem ekakra mo yentie nsema ekoso yentie.
Hello Sammy. Hello Sammy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Kojo.
Na bibi abako there.
Una media say minua.
Mo. Me who why a press conference? We na Sammy asam na o kane mo do.
Oh, Kojo, no credit to the biasa na tie. No credit sem bi wo ha emu edro, but I was say yeka because on mine ho do ehia ye pa.
But asam no mo mai. Brigadier General.
Wa wonim saka enna dunwotwe. Na ye kwa akoto aba. Na batu we abatu a Ghana for ehia ye pa. Because eno ne akwenya ye wo se ye betumi esi agina ye pa den sisapa. Ensisa ye pa ebeba ya brobom. Enti Ghana ni bi ehwe animu se obenya akwenya na watu aba asumdue kwanso. Na pere yo aye adwuma. Na de Ghana for dodo so omo pese odi oman nanim no otimi bedi oman nanim de Ghana for e wo mpeso ahodo a e wo Ghana so de mrahye bedwafo no omo timi beye emrahye bedwafo enti eno ho ntoabo na amanyoku ahodo a ye wo Ghana ye bo ye nka bi nhye but yan konkote a from our credible intelligence sources in the military no na say Owura bi a ye frɛ no Michael Opoku. The full name is Michael Kojo Opoku. And now me no ka say Oko Asante region, Kumasi to be precise, a honor tia. Or ye soja ni penya Akufo Addo amani post. Ni dibre ne se or ye General Officer Commanding for Central Command of the Ghana Armed Forces. Let's say a soldier for ohe omonje se ya o ma cheche Ghana mu Northern Command, Southern Command, and a Central Command.
Pacho, Asana obeto aso no. Former Kennedy Opoku no Blue Gate na sem na wo kan.
Yes, Kennedy Opoku Blue Gate.
Okay, to
aso. Kojo me de pa se gunim papa no. Kennedy Opoku ye Blue Gate 2019 31st January. Ye call ye by elections. Ewa ya so West Wogon. Na ye nyina ya boa ya won se ye hwa ma bibia ya asumdwe ye nkonko hwa NPP ntitirafo a omo na SS omo ye national security for omo leader ye DSP Azugu na abrantie bi a oye NPP titire ni vigilante ye friend double edi omanim omo kita tuo e de mask akata wanim e call la baleshi NDC parliamentary candidate ni fie e ko tuo Epre nipa, ebu nipa, ebu certain member of parliament, Sam George, my capture on TV sono. Eyesa, Kennedy Opoku or ma command ma say nyambran semene course na sem nieka. Sam no 2019 31st January and ya was West Wogon by election. No, ya director of operations our national security Blue Gate. So the near now sounds so double as director of operations. Or no, and as a team I from SWAT. Ohwe omo a omo kodi sa nyambran se mo ye NPP ntitire fo a ewo NPP mu Delta Forces Invisible Forces a omo treni omo wa sotuare ne de keka ho no ono na ye omo leader enti omampenya Akufo Addo ankasa te commissions omo hwehwe Ayawaso West Wogon basabasa ye si ye ni mu commission ye ni hwehwe mu no omo to omo sa frɛ sa Ken Lopoku no okoye no se si tuntum atare fita etiefo be kai okoye a o se oh ye course ni nyina we take responsibility on na ye because DSP Azugu esenase na ono na man kwan man direct se omo nkoye de omo ye no enti commission ye ni hwehwe mu no omo report uko check paragraph 3.4 and 3.5 wa asem we wo ho no minua ehu commission ni hu se ahurika semni oyenne basabasa ye wudi semwa ekoso ayawa so west wo no by election no eye Ken Lopoku ena na o hyase enti potoka se mo ka se ono no mo de sobo no as the person with ultimate responsibility for the year. Let's say ono ni nipa wo hye kira o masa ahurika se ni nyina koso ma ye prepare nipa ena mi nipa bebro mu ntimi nante obi ani hu ade because of kwanya Ken Lopoku ma NPP nti trafo ebu nipa prepare wo mo enti commission no and that is a commission of inquiry so there it has the powers of a high court and omutimi make recommendations amremu no etimi de ye adwuma omo recommend say was Ken Lopoku ye twena so omo ka say he should be reprimanded but o mampenya Akufo Addo nam say ono ana na ese na chi no say ni kutupa maniko di say nyambransem no Akufo Addo e de white paper bae e be clear papa na asotwe a short commission can see Mfama Ken Lopoku no yamfa ama no yankoten kotia sa Ken Lopoku ene na Akufo Addo Bawumia ni NPP for o mama ne so from colonel to brigadier general and so from brigadier general no o ma sans where you know afi SWAT one and no Blue Gate national security no e de na ko central command of the Ghana Armed Forces. Let's just say the central part of Ghana, soldier for Wunyano, on a yob opinion, and the central command headquarters, Kumase, the capital of Asante region. Now, and yes, idea, Omode call actually about 12 one or Modin Hayden, Akko July 2024. Now, usually, why are you in that say? A good father, sorry, I will say, oh, handy over Mama Hamada, oh, handy over Mama Hamana. Sir, the names in a Pobonia, on ne big Lopoku Yabo. Or Senechi, and our catcher and say, on any more vigilantes, any other military facilities.
Opacha says, I no casino, a sa ye training Crawford, son of otchere.
Yes, oh, the pictures are there. I will share some with you. He's training them our military facilities. Just like
Sammy,
and NPP vigilantes, they train them and use them for the Ayawa so West for gone by election violence. You know, Sana will training new set of people.
Hey, Sammy. Somewhere I know you. If you say military facilities, a war memuhano. And I day one any soldier for Akogu on a yet water to one said a bayer, one bayer to trust
already an import here. We have the pictures. Almost at the end. Akoswa. And I know the captain, what they were so that from you have your intelligence. If there is a journalist in Ghana who are deep true sources in all agencies, you are number one. And I know that if you check, you will see. Training a course of get giddy. Nanya training kwa akodi near two any military uniforms, ballot papers in ano. Papa we in fear and then was store.
Ballot papers saying.
Oh, abano. Oh, the wound to me babon tia wo the baby won be BT and this anyama. Wound to me there. Omo de nanim na eje ade ne keke. The why you hunted the chira. Obroni say he is a mastermind or the master brain behind that evil election rigging plot. And you run out near friend Ken Lopoku and they brigadier general. And in the fear, and after what your security zone, a soldier for Boho buying 24/7. And one of modern store Yemenina. Sanabaya, Obia, in some true Nibian TV coho, Obia TV day, and coho. Now, can you say, at Dana, Obia, short commission, say Entrinaso. Yabona Baswa in the brigadier general. Adan Obia, what keep Bonnier prepare Nipa Wayawa so West Wagon. Yadi position Kesese Wusuja Muamano as the general commanding officer for Central Command. Then about what Fimun yadi position in Amano. Nayam Fananko baby I say Asante region, Kumasi to be precise. na all coordinate central command adentia enye kwa omuni mpobo ne omaye den omabo na akwa no ye di dinachi and ya gather the information me no ka say onim boni obedinti no ode ne ma akwa UK ena ono so Akufo Addo ahye ne bo say oh otimi ye we ma no a te said the oye ayawa so de ne ma no na oje o taking responsibility no or a hero and they were born about why in the brigadier general and commanding officer of central command there and the Akufo Addo say 2024 is one obu peso bu prepare nipa bu nipa kunkum nipa eye de omo ye ne tachiman south ni ayawa so west wogon ni bi no matimi de wi abanimu na Akufo Addo ahye de bo say oya obema ni CDS and in prepare CDS or upon paper na akwa we omu no of an hwe nyere ordinary my form because of no the command and then the directive direct from Akufo Addo, who is a commander in chief. I also ni kutupa say onwiabam. Na ofiri say yenim no, ofiri say obi ani di wuntumi mu achi, any abronye mu achi. Ba ye de yenim no, yenim de woye. Na na ya pa no hontoma, say na ba ya Ghana fo nyina be hu no. Say he is the main master brain behind the NPP's evil election rigging plan. Na ofiri say yenim na yenim, ye ni di oye bi achi. Na this time around, ye need da ho sa aboa wo ho. Onyame nti, any ahweyi nti. Any da honti the omasheshe no emma so ne emma so china abatuo we be asumdwe na de Ghana for pe en obedi nkunim na waba be di oman yi so amoman yi afa ne tuma pefra nipa bonifo bia wa na adwen se ode basabasaye eni oye ni beba Ghana on be prepare kunkum agents of NDC no supporters no enya dia ye be ma ne sa kwan na enti ye dia semino ekwa akodan ye wradam pare oye IGP no anso and abatuo yi ahobambo wonsem nyina hye ne nsa chairman of election security task force ono ne yehwe no ono no mai sebre hye ne nsa te said your boa ma asen of abatuo yi asumdue no onhwe na abatuo we enya asumdue ye ma police fo nya omadwuma no mo ban na se bibi mu ye de ye de asojafo aye den abam enumpo no e wo so omko under police na omuteki directives from the IGP. No more making sure say nipa bone for to say brigadier general Opokudie ye mane men abatoɔ ne ho kra because ono o to say aboahuriye moja empa de tim da adwembɔne aye ne tim ne nakoma mma na ono no di bra Akufo Addo dia promising intino so obekum nipa kra de age tumia obekum nipa de age tumia ma NPP. That is all we are saying and yak came in sense of trouble for most of the money ebedi achiri na ye misa Akufo Addo say asoja fo bebrebe eye den na papa we nko na adi di breakers ama no abrawa wo commission wo say ye say owura no onye ni papa onye soja ni papa ono na ma hurika 7 basabasa ye ko so wa ya waso we so go a Ghana de che bebre ye paper omo ma di dem and na me no ka say aden na nipa we ya na wakwakofa na kwa Asante region so nko da asrafo nyina no at this time na osori a oni wuntumi mu na eye meeting ni fie no mo tena plan all the things oni Bawumia nua bia ye friend chief ensem no yanka ni nyina ya kenje bi se na be ya so mu di achinya ya de adanse ye ho beba because he is in meetings ye ni Bawumia nua no mo ka no wuntumi personal assistant mo ka mo plan sa anyema no na ye nsuro because onyame ni si hene na te se de onyame apa wo nto ma maboni o maye asoja fododo na omo ni nyi hu aba be ka kire no saa na de omo be ye bia omo ye ni suma se kra onyame enti omada pa be dead
Sammy etu a wo kase omo de ma saa nkrofo a omo training omo military facilities ne other places no mo a mo so me ye sure se mo nye asrafo eku mo ye political party kwan ben so apart from tra mo tro no akoma IGP ne other stakeholders no kwan ben so pa na mofa etimi se ade yi no minim se bi o ha wontumi kan afidi so
ye de ne say obroni say will shine sunlight on the activities of these miscreants na Ghana fo nyina hu omo ye kan peace council wa Kale Bishop conference wa ye nana Asante Maiwura otumfo se tutu ababio a wotoso mienu watibi ye de asem ba akodan no mpanyifo wo kuru mu anyina eno ye the first step because obonifo bia wodi bone a wodi nisumu ase the kani ato no so a na afedi wa ya hweyi nti that's the first step. The second step is to say IGP ni CDS ya de cartel komo mo na se mi o ma yemu hwehwemu. Ye developmental partners US for UK for ECOWAS for ye de papa we boni a wadi Ghana ene kwa wo bo so obedi mo ne ye de nyina kwa akodan omo. Na yenso te say de mekan no te say Azuma Nelson abatu we ye referee o she yebotum because ye ni say referee na obedi match no ono ne NPP omo nyina omo sejesi baako eno nti ye ahweyi nko a ye fa polling agents a omunim de omunim omadwuma omunim abato mra ne abato nhyehyɛ na mo akukudro betim de abɔ ballot boxes on by na nhyehyɛ bia what ye digu akwam bɔ ye party for ne agents ho by say na be ya we will never again become victims to brutalities from these hooligans no ye de nhyehyɛ ne begu akwam ye de ye pasumdwe na yanko ye bibia de basabasa ye ne oye ne beba ne mmom se obi se obekunya na obeprepare ya de betumi aya ne se de famudi a constitution ya mamra ne ma ye se ye moye ho ban no ye bebo ye ho ban na ya famra kwanso a make sure se sa nipa bonefo ne mra ne omobedi enti Ken Lopoku de odi gare botoma boni a wadi na ya waso west for gone no obebu ho akonta he will never go scot free na boni a why na adwen say 2024 is obedi because of boshie bia ye de ahye no. We will do everything within our power and in accordance with law to ensure that
having listened, the basic question on the minds of a lot of people, Bawumia TV3, is outside of detailing the history of this individual, you in the NDC have not provided any evidence to substantiate the claim of a ploy to rig. You say his house is a storehouse for weapons, military uniform, and some other things. There's nothing in terms of evidence that has been presented. People will make the argument simply that you're just making wild allegations against the person of a man who's risen through the ranks. Where's the evidence to back all of it?
Well, the accounts have an adage that goes, that says that the Orekrano, Okaso Berekotoa, to wait, the man who chews calabash, if he says that he will chew a crab, you don't have to argue with him because there isn't much of a difference between a crab and a calabash. We have shown you the track record of the man we are talking about, Brigadier General Opoku. You all saw what happened at Ayawaso West Wogon. It was the first time in the history of Ghana that we saw so-called national security operatives wearing masks, armed to the teeth with sophisticated weapons, brazenly and openly assaulting innocent, unarmed civilians, maiming people. You saw that. Today there are many people, there are some people who can't walk. They have suffered lifetime deformities because of the brutalities meted to them by those NPP hoodlums. And you heard the confession of the man. He said he takes responsibility. The Elmi Short Commission found him liable for those atrocities and recommended that he should be reprimanded. Are you not worried that the president did not implement that recommendation? And instead of, in what country can a man like this man receive a promotion from Colonel to Brigadier General? In what country can a man like this man be rewarded after maiming people, brutalizing people, be rewarded with the position of General Officer Commanding of the Central Command? In what country? His mere appointment is a scandal because this is a man who should be facing sanctions and not be enjoying promotion. And as for evidence, these matters are based on credible intelligence we have picked. We know what we are talking about. Unfortunately, the NPP is in office, so they will not allow for a search to be conducted in the presence of the media at his residence. But the media, you have reporters in Kumasi. If he has nothing to hide, he should open his doors today for you to go around his house and check if he has nothing to hide. But they are in power. The man has been rewarded. There are soldiers guarding his house 24/7, holding arms. So you don't expect that they are going to open their doors and say, come and take pictures. No, they won't do that. But we know what we are talking about. Our intelligence is rock solid, and his track record bears our assertions out. It's as simple as that. And if you doubt us, then the question is, of all the people in the military, how come that it is only this man who was found worthy of the position of General Commanding Officer for Central Command? And how come that this appointment was given to him in 2024? Why not Northern Command? Why Central? Why Ashanti region? You think it's a mere coincidence? Well, we don't think so. So Ghanaians are discerning. They can put 1 + 1 together. They can make their own judgment. But as for us, we will continue to monitor them very, very keenly, because we know and believe that the intelligence we have is rock solid. Yes.
Right, my name is Obed. I report for J1 TV and Star FM. So beyond this press conference, I want to find out, are you going to formally write to the CES or the Ghana Police Service to conduct an investigation?
Emphatically, yes. We will be petitioning the IGP because he's the chairman of the Election Security Task Force. We will also be drawing the attention of the CDS to these developments officially, because we are aware that he knows. But everybody is scared of the man because that is Akufo Addo's darling boy. But the CDS has a responsibility to Ghanaians to act. And so we will officially be petitioning his office. But not just that. We are going to ensure that the king of the Ashanti people, who is very much interested in the peace of our nation and the peace of the processes leading to, during, and after the December 7th election. I'm talking about Otumfuo Tutu II. We will officially draw his attention to these developments, because the headquarters of the operation of this guy is Kumasi. And I know that the Otumfuo cherishes the peace that the people of Kumasi and the Ashanti region enjoy. And he will want to take an interest into this matter and call this guy to order. But not just him, our external developmental partners will also be notified. And so the observers will be notified, the foreign missions will be notified, and we are so excited. We are so excited that the Secretary of State of the United States of America not too long ago issued a notice, a circular, that anybody who tries to undermine the peace and stability of Ghana or the sanctity of the 2024 December elections process in Ghana will face sanctions from the Americans. And if there is anybody that Brigadier General Opoku fears, it should be them, because he likes to travel. He likes to travel a lot. And that is a topic for another day. So we will draw the attention to what he's doing. That is not to say that we will stop at that. No. We are going into the election with all the necessary precautions. Like Azuma Nelson, we are going with our referee in our pockets. And what we will do to make sure that they don't succeed is not a matter for public consumption. Let's continue.
Yo, it is for winning, and somewhere Sammy Gyamfi NDC one communication officer allegations are what they able to watch say a year Brigadier General Opoku just NPP4 and then Ashisha Transi Ashisha Po just say Ubitimi Abo ma one team winning a year 2024 general election is a rigging plot and known as Sammy Gyamfi and Honsem Atuja. Because says we can subscribe to channel dia bomodi and say over subscribe and say hadia latest and hot news and era me de bro. I feel you don't like if you like the video na fi share ma of for so that when you be here na wo hu and somewhere koso wo Ghana memano also betimi otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho wo comment box mu mo beti mi kabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.